What's going on, guys? Today we have a special video. As you can see, boom. Look at this. What can it be? I don't know, because I have to find out. But I've been waiting for this. I've been seeing this all over Facebook and things like that. And, you know, I decided to pull the trigger and actually get one of these. And, man, I can't wait to take a look at this. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, got it open. Here we go. The first look at what it is. Boom. If you guys don't know, this is the WK Motorsport short shifter. Look at this packaging. Comes in a briefcase. Check this out. Look at that. All right, let's get this bad boy opened. Should open. There we go. Hopefully I don't have it upside down. And I do anyways. All right, so first thing. Got some stickers. What is this? Air freshener, I believe. Maybe, I don't know. And some extra stuff. And instructions. All right. And here is the short shifter. Wow. That looks absolutely amazing. Look at this quality. Carbon fiber. And then this is the base of it. Put this on the side. Shift knob. There are other options for the shift knob. I decided to go with this one just because I would think it would feel a lot better versus the other one. They had like 3 options to choose from, and I honestly thought that one was the best choice. All right. And here is the cage. Great quality. This is gonna make a huge difference. And I also will include a comparison video of how you know, it shifts right now. Right now I have a stock shifter. So I'll also do a comparison of that. But yeah, this is it. Looks absolutely amazing. Good quality. I can't wait to put this on. Alright guys, so I just got it assembled. Here it is. Sorry for the mess, but I had to clean out in here because we have to access this. But here it is put together. It was actually pretty easy. You just had to undo these screws. There's 2 on the other side as well. Put them in, screw them back in, and then put this in right here. Pretty simple, but yeah, here it is. It's looking pretty dang good. All right, now let's take a look at the stock. All right, so here it is. As you can see, a lot of movement. Lots of movement. And I'm hoping that short shifter will solve that problem. Look at that. Side to side. Again, 1 through 5th. All right, well, let's go ahead and start with the installation. All right, guys, so it's recording. All right, guys, so first off, there are 2 bolts in here. I don't know if you can see it. Probably can't. Okay, there are 2 bolts right there. I believe they are 10 millimeters that need to come out. All right, so I got it. So simply just want to pull up, undo those 2 bolts, pull this up, and there are going to be some wires that you're going to need to unplug as well. So let's get this off. Right there. And I need to clean that. That's, gosh. Whoever had this car before me. That's nasty. Yeah. I'm gonna need to clean that later. Anyways. Alright, and then you're simply just gonna lift this up, bring this out, and if you do have a shift knob on, make sure to take that off. What's keeping this in? Ah, okay. Got it. Just some things I do need to unplug back here real quick. Go ahead and do that. Alright, guys, got it off. Simply take this off. Boom. Just tuck this right in the back. And then there should be 4 screws. One there, there, and there. I guess they aren't screws, but bolts. Alright, so these are 12. I have an extension with the 12 millimeter socket with it's a swivel socket to make things a lot easier. Oh, you might need to I don't know if you need to remove this or not. You might have to, but we'll see. Alright, here's the comparison of the new to old. New, old. As you can see, there's also a big height difference. Alright, guys, so here it is installed. You can either leave the boot on or leave it off. I think it looks pretty cool with it off, but you know, I don't want things falling through there, so I installed the boot back on. But yeah, here it is. I'm just gonna go through the gears real quick so you guys can compare from stock to this one. Again, 1 through 5th. This is neutral. Again, this is a lot better than before. Way better. Although it does sit a little higher, and it does take some getting used to. Overall, you know, I like it. I like the look of it. I like the feel of it, and it's definitely a lot better than what I had before, which is, you know, stock. Might do a driving video just to compare, and then close it at that.